brother, it's me, your sister, and of course I have something funny to share with you. In the wintertime, I get this tickle of a cough, and the best way to get rid of it, at least for me, I think, is to drink homemade ginger tea, which I told you about. It's my adult tea with fresh ginger, lemon slices, organic honey. Bring it to a boil, simmer for half an hour. It's delicious. But it's quite cumbersome to peel the ginger and do all that stuff. An alternative to my homemade ginger tea is to buy Starbucks honey citrus mint tea, which is delightful. It's so refreshing. It's so delicious. But to get that venti size, because I always get the largest size when I get the tea, it's like $4 and like 57 cents, something like that. So I was talking to a colleague, and he called me a doctor because I gave him my prescription of the adult tea to share with his wife. And he had another alternative for me. His daughter hooked him on this. It is by the brand Prince of Peace. It is instant ginger tea. You can get it with lemon or just regular ginger honey crystals. And you just, little packet, you add it to water, hot or cold, stir it, and it brings like this nice frothing, and it's so good. It's so good. So I go on Amazon, I look for this stuff, right? And I see there's a pack of 10 for like $5.55. I'm like, a pack of 10? Like, you know, you go to the grocery store, you get a box of tea bags, 20 is like $3. I'm like, I'm not spending $5 for 10 tea bags. That's ridiculous. And so this week I'm walking back to the office. I just picked up my venti tea from Starbucks, and it just clicked. I just spent pretty much $5 for a tea. Granted, it's a good tea, but $5 for a tea at Starbucks, and I could have got a pack of 10. I could have had 10 teas. So I was like, okay, I broke down and I got the tea. So I'm scrolling on Amazon, and I find that they had a pack of 30, a 2-pack. A pack of 30, and you get 2 packs of 30 for $17 for the lemon flavor, $14 for just the regular ginger flavor. I'm like, so, like, I'm flabbergasted. Like, accountant, I didn't figure this out before. Like, it's totally silly and stupid. So I got my tea. It's delicious. And on the weekends, yeah, I can still put a little Fireball in it. Get my packet. Get my little shot bottle of Fireball or Jack. The dogs heard something. And I'm good. So I just had to share that with you, brother. I know you're overseas in South Korea, I think. Not being stereotypical, but I know with a lot of Asian dishes, ginger is used. So maybe you will like the ginger tea because you may like the flavor of ginger. If you do, get it. If you don't get it. But I'm getting it. It's so good. Okay, well, that's all, brother. Bye.